In this video, I'll show you how to enable flash notification in your Android phone. Now the first thing you have to do is open up your settings app. After that, scroll all the way down, then go to accessibility. After that, just go to hearing enhancements and then go to flash notification option, and that's it. Here you can see two kinds of flash notification. One is camera flash notification and another is screen flash notification. If you want to enable camera flash notification, just tap here and then tap on preview. You can see my camera flash is flashing. Also, if you want to enable screen flash notification, just tap here and then tap on preview. You can see the screen is flashing and you can change your screen flash notification color. Just tap on color option and then choose any kind of color, then tap on save, then tap on preview, and that's it. You can see it's enabled successfully. And that is how you can enable flash notification in your Android phone. I hope this video was helpful. If it was, please give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe.